Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Squarespace SEO for higher rankings, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your Squarespace SEO for higher rankings, begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website you want to optimize. Go to the settings panel on the left sidebar. Select SEO from the options. Review your current SEO settings. Make a note of your existing keywords and meta descriptions. Next, check your website's content. Ensure that each page has relevant and unique content. Optimize your titles and headings. Incorporate keywords naturally into your text. Now, focus on the image alt text. Add descriptive alt text to all images. This will help improve visibility in search results. Next, optimize your URLs. Ensure they are short and descriptive. Make sure to include relevant keywords in your URLs. Now, address the mobile responsiveness of your site. Use Squarespace built-in tools to ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Check your page load speed. Utilize tools like Google PageSpeed Insights for this. A faster site improves user experience and SEO rankings. Next, revisit your internal linking strategy. Make sure to link related content within your site. This keeps visitors engaged and helps search engines crawl your pages. Now, focus on building backlinks. Reach out to other websites in your niche for collaborations. Create valuable content that encourages others to link back. Next, verify your website with Google Search Console. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.